Listen to this. 5 reasons why men avoid certain women. Number 1, having unrealistic expectations. Some women really have unrealistic expectations. What they expect a man to do is what they can't provide for themselves, which is crazy. A man will love to do more for a woman that he knows can do it for themselves because it means she just wants him to do it. But the problem is when you need somebody, that is not a healthy relationship. I don't think I would want someone to need me. I want somebody to want me. Number 2, respect. Respect is big when you're dealing with men. You know, sometimes the way women dress, it makes a man interested in the intimacy, but not the mentality. He's not mentally trying to invest there because he only sees it as a sexual encounter. So sometimes you got to know who you're dealing with. Some men are enticed by just looks, but some men are enticed by mentality. So be mindful of that also. Number 3, are you sneaky? Some women are very, very, very sneaky. They hide their phones. This is my cousin, this is my friend. Shorty, you got too many men friend. And that will scare a man away. Men don't like to see a bunch of men around their women because they don't want to feel like a clown if something comes out in the end. Number 4, you lie too much. Getting caught in a lie is different from a man to a woman. I honestly believe so. Men have a mentality where they believe that their woman is Cinderella and she has done no wrong. So they like to believe that their woman is very innocent. And once a man doesn't see that anymore, the woman tends to lose value from the man. Number 5, are you exclusively for him? Are you for the village? See, when a man deems something to be his, or his woman, or his wife, we're very territorial. We like to conquer. When a man feels like he conquered his woman, he'll be more loyal to that woman or more consistent with that woman because he feel like it's his. When a man thinks you're for the village, I don't think he's gonna take you that serious. Don't let that go over your head.